So this time what we're going to do is create a program, show you how to write a simple program and also edit the program. So we go to the little chef's hat. The blue one is a new program with a plus, and the wee green pen is edit the program. So what we're going to do, so this is your first stage and what you want to do with that. So with this, we're going to do the sticky wings. So pre-cooked wings, coated in a wee sauce, and then we'll just blast it, get nice and warm, nice and crispy. So we'll do 1:05. And what we want with that is 100% of the microwave to start with. And then the impingement we only want down at 40%. So what we want this to do is get it nice and hot without caramelising too much. So we'll add a second stage onto this. It'll ask, yep. And all we're going to do with this is we only want a quick blast, 15 seconds. We're going to pull the microwave to 60%, but this time we want the impingement up full. And what that's going to do is just give it that nice golden sticky finish on the wings. So we save that program. Once you've got your name in there, you go back. What you need to do now is save. And that's your recipe there. So what you need to do then, that's it, good to go. Right, just going to show you in the book quickly this time. So you hit in the book, so it's basically a database of recipes. So if you're looking for something to try, so you just need to search what you're looking for. So on this occasion, ribs. It will search the database. It's got a couple of examples. All you do is push and hold onto the wee home screen. That's it there. What we're going to do is show you how to edit a recipe and why you would edit a recipe. So all we've got is two identical cheese toasties, so it's just bread and cheese, nice and simple, but it's a good way of showing. So we've got a simple toasty recipe here. 1:05. It's going to put this in directly on the plate, so we'll get a good colour on that. What this program's doing, it's 1:05, 75% microwave, 75% impingement. So the microwave works like a microwave in your house, so it heats from the inside out, and what that does is melting all that cheese on the inside, getting it nice and melted. The impingement is blowing the hot air down. What that does, that's what gives you the caramelisation on your bread and the colour. So we'll see how this one comes out. So, as you can see, we've got a bit of colour on there. The colour on the bottom is really good because it's been on the plate, but the top still needs a little bit more. The inside, the cheese is melted, but for a customer you'd want that with a slightly better colour on it. So all we need to do now, we're going to the little chef's hat. The blue is a new recipe, the green one is an edit. So we just need to find our original program, which is this one. We're happy with the microwave because obviously all the cheese is nice melted in the middle. If that was still slightly underdone, we could increase that, which would help us. What I'm going to do is turn the impingement to get up full to get more colour on that toasty. So I'm going to put that up full. We're actually going to give it maybe another 15 seconds. So that's just editing because it's a single stage program. We're going to save that. And that's showing us the recipe there. So when we look at the stages, we've got, it's 1:20 now, with 75% microwave. We're happy with the inside of the toasty, but if it was underdone, we could have turned that up. The impingement is up at 100%. What that'll do is give us a nice caramelisation on top of our toasty. As you can see, much better colour on that. Underneath, great colour, nice and crispy. When you compare the two of them, this is obviously a much better looking toasty. Nice and melted in the middle. And that was just a quick, easy, how to edit a recipe for a cheese toastie.